Hi, fabulous fourth grade families. The homework for this week requires the students to multiply and to divide. And if you're watching this, I'm going to go ahead and do the first problem for each day's worth of homework as an example to go over the strategies in case your student needs a little extra help. Yesterday's or Monday's assignment required the students to multiply using the standard algorithm. When we multiply using this strategy, the first step is to multiply 9 times 6, which gives us 54. I put the 4 on the bottom and carry the 5. Then we do 9 times 3 is 27, plus the 5 that we carried gives us 32. Then we bring down a placeholder 0. Then we multiply 4 times 6, which is 24. I put the 4 here, carry the 2 up top. Then I do 4 times 3, which is 12, and add the 2 that we carried, which gives us 14. This gives us our partial products. We add our partial products, and our answer for the product is 1,764. In the next problem, the students have to use an area model to multiply. If we're doing 73 times 42, the first thing is to create a square or a rectangle. And because it's a two-digit by two-digit problem, we will make 4 squares within our square. And we're going to break apart the number 73. The 7 is in the tens place, so it has a value of 70. The 3 is in the ones place, it has a value of 3. We're also going to break apart 42. The 4 is in the tens place, so it has a value of 40. And the 2 is in the ones place, it has a value of 2. Okay, now we can multiply using basic multiplication facts. So in this square, we're going to multiply 40 times 70. Because I know that 4 times 7 is 28, I write 28. And there's a 0 here and a 0 here. That's 2 zeros, so I simply add 2 zeros. That's 2,800. Then in this square, I'm going to multiply 40 times 3. I know that 4 times 3 is 12. And there's a 0 over here that I'm going to bring over here, and we get 120. Then we're going to multiply 2 times 70 in this square. I know that 2 times 7 is 14. There's a 0 here, so I bring a 0 here. 2 times 3 is 6. These are our partial products. We will add them. So we're going to take 2,800 plus 120 plus 140 plus 6. Combine them. And when I do that, I get an answer of 3,066. Using an area model. On Wednesday's homework, the students are to divide using an array. So if we are dividing 36 divided by 5, we would need to draw 36 dots or tallies or whatever your student wants to draw that makes it easier for them to understand. And we're going to draw 36 of them, but we're going to group them by 5s since our divisor is 5. So I would start off by drawing 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm going to continue to do this until I get to 36. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, and 36. Now, when I do this, I can count. I'm going to go back and count my equal groups of 5. And when I do this, I see that this is a group of 5. There's one group of 5. This is another group of 5. 2, 3 groups of 5, 4, 5, 6. I end up with 7 groups of 5. But I have this little guy left over right here. This is going to be our remainder, and there's only 1 left. So because we have 7 equal groups of 5, our quotient or our answer is going to be 7. And since we have 1 left over here, that's going to be a remainder of 1. So our answer would be 7 with a remainder of 1. And then on Thursday's homework, the students are to divide using basic facts. If I have 480 divided by 6, I would take 48 and divide that by 6. And that gives me 8. And because I know I have a 0 over here, I bring my 0 over here, and my answer is 80. Thank you.